In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mask in the phone field using Wpforms in WordPress. This can be a really useful feature, especially if you want to ensure that phone numbers are consistently formatted on your forms. Let's dive in and get started. First, what you'll need to do is navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to head over to Wpforms. From there, you have the option to either create a new form by selecting Add New, or simply choose an existing form that you'd like to edit. This flexibility allows you to either design a new form from scratch or update a form you've already created. Now, to properly structure your form, you'll utilize the drag and drop feature within the form builder. Specifically, you'll want to find the single-line text field. Drag and drop this field into your form where you want the phone number input to appear. Once that's in place, it's important to label this field clearly. A straightforward label like phone number will work perfectly. This ensures that users know exactly what information they're supposed to enter. The next step is where the magic happens, setting up the input mask. Click on the single-line text field to reveal the field options. Here, switch over to the Advanced tab where you'll find the Input Mask field. Now, this is where you define the format for the phone number input. There are specific symbols you'll use to create the desired mask pattern. For numerics, you'll use the number 9, which represents any digit from 0 to 9. If your input needs to include letters, you'd use A for alphabetical characters or A for uppercase letters. For a mask that includes both letters and numbers, an asterisk will allow for any alphanumeric entry. If you're setting this up for a US phone number, for example, you'll typically use the pattern 999-999-9999. This pattern ensures that the number will be entered in a consistent format with dashes separating the segment groups, providing both clarity and uniformity. Once you're satisfied with your input mask and have double-checked everything, the final step is to save your form. You can do this by clicking the Save button, which commits all the changes you've made to your form setup. By following these steps, you ensure that all phone numbers entered into your form adhere to the specific format you've designated, which helps maintain the quality and consistency of your data collection. I hope this guide was helpful, and you feel more confident in setting up input masks on your WordPress forms using Wpforms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.